Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill using a short story related to the use of how to make an offer using will. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. You should also try to memorize the story and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions. Well, are you ready now? Good. Now please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Joe is going to take the same bus. He noticed an elderly woman a moment ago. He offered to help her. I'll carry that your suitcase. Probably you cannot carry it, he said to the woman. No, thank you. That's very kind of you, the woman said. Do you still remember the story? Well, can you retell it? Now, please answer my questions. Question number 1. Is Joe going to take the same bus? Did he notice an elderly woman a moment ago? Did he offer to help her? What exactly did he say? What did the woman say? Alright, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.